Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, go to screen lock, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none, and let's use each of the passwords to unlock the phone. Now swipe, PIN, password, and in the end, let's select pattern. Now, we can use it to unlock the phone, and then we can go to Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Confirm with your current password, and first let's go to Face Unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's use Fingerprint Unlock. And the fingerprint sensor is located right here on the bottom of the screen. Simply tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and it's set. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.